分，我叫
Senior
Jasmine
pronouns.
Porianon。
I am one of the program directors of the Economic Justice Team
今日
at
咧，
the
我
Williams
係
Center
咧，
for Civil
即
Rights
係今日我
in
哋
San
係
Francisco Bay
三藩
Area.
市灣區
I'm
民
joined
權律
here with
師
my
委員會
colleague
嘅，
Hayden
係一個
Ugashi,
叫做經濟正義部
Senior
門嘅㗎
Director
嚇。
of Asylum
今日我
Programs,
哋
part
仲
of
有
our
一個
Immigrant
係我哋
Justice
移民
Program.
庇護
So
計劃
I'm really
嘅
excited
一個
to
職員喺度
present with
同大家
Hayden for the
講。
first time.
咁非常之
We're
開心啦！今
going
日我哋個
to be
Hayden 咧
sharing a
係會
Northern
同，因為佢係
training
我哋係資
regarding
深嘅律師嚇。
immigration
今日咧
under
佢就同我哋講下咧，
Trump
了
second
解你個權利
administration.
係 Trump 呢個執政嘅時候咧，我哋作
And
為
I,
移民咧，
I
我哋係
think
點
we
樣
can go to
了解我哋
to
嘅
the
權
next
利？
slide, which I'm not
咁我哋會
seeing.
嚟到咧，我哋
Forgive
下
me
一
if
個。
that's just on my end.
咁唔好意思，我去唔到下一個。
I don't see it
啊，
anymore.
呢度係。
Hayden?
Okay, let me bring that up. I see it says screen share, but perhaps it's not actually sharing the
好，
screen. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that.
好，佢要
It's
處
showing
理
the
一
screen,
下。
but it's a different. Oh, perfect.
OK，佢
There
整
we
到
go.
啦。
All right. So as we know,
我哋知道咧，
the second administration is
我哋呢個
Trump is
新嘅 Trump 總統嘅，
not the greatest. It's
因為係唔係好好咯，其實
has
係。
incited a lot of fear in the
因為依家
communities
咧
that
係
we're
我哋
part
搞
of,
到
a lot of
我哋
fear
個
in the
社區咧
communities
人
that
心
we
惶惶
help
啦。
serve. And so as a legal aid
咁啊，作
organization
為一個
committed
法律援助
to
嘅組織咧，今日
marginalized
我哋致
communities,
力
communities
咧
of color,
係
immigrant
幫助呢啲
communities,
邊緣化嘅社
we're
區咧，
here
係幫
to
助你哋提供
one
諮
help
詢嘅。
advocate by
我哋
sharing
係
knowledge.
倡導提供俾你哋
As
知識同埋
the
信
slide
息。
shows, when we have it pulled up, knowledge is power,
咁啊咧，依家就想同
and
大家講，知識就係力
information is
量，
power. And
信
so
息
that's
就係
one
力
thing
量。
that we do as a
所
legal
以我哋咧喺呢度咧係支持住
organization
你哋嘅嚇。
to
亦
help support that. We
咁我
believe
哋
in
喺呢度
people
咧都
power.
係
We
要
believe
幫
in
助我哋互
folks
相支持
having
啦，
the
幫助我哋
ability
嘅
to
社
band
區。
together in community
因為我哋知道我哋
and
所有嘅社區
to
咧，我哋都
protect
可以啊
themselves
組
and
織係咪
each
一
other.
齊保護
And so
我哋
today
互
we'll
相
be
保護，我哋
sharing
保護自
that
己。
knowledge.
所以今日咧，我
We've
哋就
got
喺呢度咧，想
I
同大家
think
分享一
that
下咧，
something
我哋嘅知
if
識。
anything, I think the
如果
takeaway
任
of
何
today's
嘢咧，就
presentation
今日咧，
is
我哋
that
嘅嗰個信息想俾
community is
大家
very
帶出去嘅咧，
important
就係我
and
哋嘅
that
社
we
區
have
係非
each
常之
other
重要
and
嘅，
when
而且
sharing
我
this
哋係每
knowledge
一
and when
個
we're
人咧，我哋可
protecting,
以幫助到
stand
互
up for
相
one
支持到
another
互相。今日我
the
哋
more we can
係
fight
可以
back and
咧，通
resist
過咁樣
against
嘅學習，通過咁樣嘅
this
分享
oppression.
咧，我哋大
So
家都
slide
更
deck is
加
back
知
up.
道啦，
Thank you so
點
much.
樣去
Let's
保
go
護自己
to the
嘅嚇。
third slide.
好，咁我而
So
家
a
去到
little
下一
bit
個。
of an elevator pitch of
咁啊，呢個咧就係
who
想
we
同
are.
大
We're
家
Williams
介
Center for
紹一
Civil
下，我
Rights.
哋係
We
邊
are
個，
one
咩
of the
叫做
oldest civil
LC
rights legal aid
CR 咧？因為我哋三藩
organizations
市灣
on the
區民
West
權律
Coast.
師
We were
委員會啦
founded
嚇，我哋係其中
during
喺
the
一個
Civil Rights
最
Movement
歷史
in
最悠久嘅組織，係
1968.
一九
We have
68年
three
就成立
specific
㗎嚇。
program
咁啊，我哋有
areas:
三個
immigrant
唔同嘅
justice,
計劃，一個係
economic
移民
justice,
正
and racial
義、
justice.
經濟正
So our
義同埋
immigrant
種族
justice
正義。今
program
日我哋嘅
has
移民正義咧，我哋有
two
兩個
segments
唔
of
同
work.
嘅
The
計劃嚇，
asylum
一個
program
咧就係庇護計劃啦。
has been around for 40
大概
plus
超過
years, and
40
I'll let
幾年㗎
Hayden
啦，我
talk
哋
more
從事
about
呢個
that
工作
once
嚇。
I give him the stage. And then
今日咧，遲
impact
啲咧
work, where we
，Hayden 會
engage
從呢個
in
部門同我哋講啦。咁
public
啊，同埋一個叫
policy,
做 impact work 咧，就係我哋嘅公
both on the
共
federal
政
and
策
state
方面嚇，
level.
就係我哋個
The
聯邦同
economic
埋州
justice
政府，
team, we
同埋我
have
哋嘅
our
種族
legal
經濟正
services
義方面咧，
entrepreneurs
我哋
program,
仲
where
係有
we
幫助大
provide
家咧，嗰啲創業
transactional
者
legal
咧，
support
就
to
幫
immigrant
幫佢哋提供一啲，
businesses,
即係
businesses
譬如講
owned by
啲
people
俾
of
提供
color.
俾我哋移民
We have
嘅
many
嗰個
partnership
小
with
商業
state
創業者，即
lenders,
係
and
即係
so
創業者
there's
咧，
a
或者
lot
小
of
商業提供
overlap
信息
between
嚇。
our programs.
即
And
我哋提
obviously
供唔
racial
同嘅嗰啲
justice,
計
our
劃
team
當中咧，我哋其
there
實有好
they
多咧，
engage in a lot of
都係
impact
有啲互相
litigation
切
and
合嘅地方
implicit
嚇。
in a lot of immigrant justice work and
咁啊，其
economic
實咧
justice
都
work
有
is
涉及到咧
also
種族正義方面嘅問
racial
題。
justice as we live in a racialized society. And so
咁啊，你又知道
all
我
three
哋
of
呢
our
個依
programs
家嘅
really
社會
work
咧，都
hand in
係
hand.
非
And
常
I'm
非常之
incredible to
種
know
族化啦
that
係。
we
咁啊，
can
所
really
有我哋嘅
share
計
just
劃咧，
how
都係
some of our work's very
都係個目
intersectional
標咧，
through
都係有
through
一
this
個，即係話我
presentation
哋
together.
個所有嘅
So
計劃都係個交
here's our
叉，都
contact
係為咗提
information.
供
We'll also
諮詢俾
share
我哋
this by
嘅
email. I believe this
社區。
that be shared by email as well.
今日如果登記咗啲人咧，我哋今日
Seek
嘅所有
upload
嘅
services
嗰個
of
信
any
息
of
咧，
these
都會係
programs
從
to further
email 嘅方式
efficiency.
咧
With
發俾
all
大
of
家
that
嘅。
said, we're going to begin with
好，咁我哋依家咧
Hayden
就
doing a
開
presentation
始我哋今
on
日Hayden
immigration
由我哋講解
rights
咧，
of knowing
我
your
哋
rights
美
under
國
the
即係
Immigration
講下我哋
atmosphere that we're in right now.
即係我哋
And then
依家
I'm
嘅
going
成個
to
移民
finalize
嘅
it with talking
嗰
about
個
specific
氣
to
氛
business
氛
owners
氛
and
圍
how
嚇。
business owners could also help
今日
protect
咧
their
之後咧，再
workers
同我
as
講，
well
再
as
同你大家
themselves
講
in
下
this
咧，
climate.
我哋個
So
點
with
樣去幫
that,
助到我哋嘅移民嘅
Ian,
小商
I'm
議嚇。
ready.
咁啊 Hayden， 如果你準備好啦，咁我哋開始啦嚇。
Thank you so much, Jasmine. I'm gonna
多謝
pause the sharing
Jasmine。
and reshare just so it is
今晚咧，
in
我
a
係要
better
停
presenter
止
mode.
係。
I'm seeing a little bit more of behind the scenes that I'd like to. Just give me 1 second.
咁我依家要停下，但係再重新分享，請稍等。
All right, I imagine that's much better.
好似依家好似好咗少少。
Wonderful.
OK，
Great. So thank you so much, and thank you, Jasmine,
多謝
and
大家
and
嚇，多謝
and
Jasmine。
everyone from both the Economic Justice team here at the Lawyers Committee, from MEDA and the Immigrant Justice team.
咁啊咧，多
As
謝我哋
Jasmine
嘅
previewed, I'll be
Jasmine
speaking a
嘅
bit
我哋嘅
about
團隊嚇。
the immigration system here
今日咧，我就係
in
想
the
同
San
大家講
Francisco
少
Bay
少
Area,
三藩
and
市
then
灣區嘅
also
美國移
know
民
your
系
rights
統嚇，
tips,
同埋咧之後仲同大家
and some
講下咧
updates
點樣即係
on
了解你嘅權利嚇，
local enforcement by
同埋
sort of
咁
primarily
俾大家
ICE
知道一
immigration
下咧，
customs enforcement here, also
即係
known
我
as
哋當
MITA,
地嘅 ICE 嗰啲
in
係
they
ICE 咧，我
have
哋
to
遲
sort of
啲會
look
再
out
簡短嘅
for
講下，
and
其實
protect
就係
yourself,
叫做移
your
民同埋海
communities.
關執
And
法
in this
機關，
context,
咁啊太長啦嚇，
agencies,
所以我哋就
employers, business
簡稱為
places,
ICE。
employees. So kind of the way that the immigration
今
system
日
is
咧，我
broken
哋嘅
up,
三藩市
immigration
咁
is
就
a
係嗰個
federal
灣
system
區嘅
that
美
is
國移民系
countrywide.
統。
So
咁我
when
哋
immigration
講緊我哋
policy
個
comes
美
down,
國嘅
it
移
does
民系
affect
統咧
every
係
part of the
今
country.
日咧係就
However,
影響到我哋國家每一個部
the
分。
states and
今日我哋
counties
有
and
聯
cities
邦
have
嘅
other
嗰個
laws
移
that
民系
simply
統，今日咧，但係
protect
我
and
哋
sort
仲
of
有
push up
州嘅、
against
城
some
市
federal
嘅同埋縣嘅
immigration
嗰
policies.
啲
That's
唔同
everything
嘅
from
嗰
you know
個
these
移民
executive
嘅
orders that
政
I'm
策
sure
嚇。
folks have been hearing here and there in the news that are coming down
咁啊，
from
依
the
家咧有好
Trump
多啲
administration to
即係我哋
all
有
the different
新聞都有
policies and
講
things that
到
have been
係
coming
Trump
out of
總
the
統咧，
Department of
佢有
Homeland
新嘅
Security
嗰
and
個
its sub
總統
sort
個
of
命令嚇。
agencies. And so
但
the
係
Department of Homeland Security
咁
is
我哋要
the
講到咧國土安全，國
is
土
the
安全
main
局嚇
immigration
係最主
enforcement
要嘅嗰個移民
department of the
嘅
United
執
States.
法
It's the
嘅
highest
機
up in
關嘅嚇。
government. Under it, you have ICE
咁啊喺佢
and
下邊咧就有
USCIS. So
ICE
that's
係 USCIS 就係
Immigration
美
Customs
國公民
Enforcement,
同
as
移
you
民
can
服
see
務
on the
局。
visual here. And
咁
then
啊，你去
beside
大
it
家
says
睇到，
US Citizenship and
咁啊，
Immigration
你又
Services,
最見
USCIS.
係
Now, ICE
國土安全局下邊咧就係
is
美
the
國
one
移
you've been
民與
hearing
海
in the
關執法
news.
局
That is
同埋
the
美國
ICE
公民與移民
police
服
and MIGRA,
務
and those
局。
are the ones that are going to arrest somebody. They're the police force essentially of
今日咧係
immigration when it
ICE
comes
咧
to
就係
being an
等於係
an
嗰個
interior of the
警
country
察
as
咁
far
啊，
as
執
we
法
are here
機
in the Bay
關嚇。
Area. You'll also hear about customs and
今日你都會聽到
and border protection or
海
border
關
patrol.
同埋我哋個
Those are
邊
typically
境
closer to the
巡
border,
邏，
and we're not seeing really those
但係
agencies
依家
there
我哋
as
都
much
係
in the
冇見
interior
喺呢邊都係
agencies
冇
of
見到，一定喺我哋灣
immigration
區嚇。
enforcement,
佢就對
and
佢都
visiting
屬於
people's
移民
businesses
執
and
執
homes,
法機
etc.
關嚇。
Then on the far right, you'll see the
咁
Department of
喺右邊
Justice.
咧係我
So
哋
it's outside the
嘅
Department of Homeland
即
Security,
係
and that is
執
an
法部
immigration
門
court
咧，
system. So when
係
you
我
hear
哋
people
叫做
that'll
移
be,
民
you
法
know, that
庭
have to go
嚇，
into
同
immigration
埋
court or
移
have
移
been
民
deported,
上訴委員會嚇，
oftentimes they have
就係佢
gone
屬於係
through
司
the
法部
Department
嘅
of
嚇。
Justice through the immigration court system, and that's where an immigration judge will hear arguments as to why a person should be
咁啊，你喺呢
deported,
度咧，佢就
why
係
they
聽到話
can't be
點解
deported,
呢度嘅
and
法官
will
就會
get
聽話
check
邊個係
different
要
types of
驅逐，邊個係
applications
唔
to
驅
keep
逐啊
them
等
longer
等。
in the United States or give them a pathway to citizenship one day. Things like asylum and other
或
types
者
of
係佢可以
other types of
批准
legal
嗰
protections
個
that one
人
can
嘅
file for
嗰個
when departing
政
an
治庇
immigration
護，
court
或者係
proceedings.
其他
You also might hear those called
有合
removal
法嘅
proceedings or
嗰個人咧，係
deportation
可以
proceedings.
以後咧
That's
都可以
also
喺
a
美
thing that
國
is
長
immigration
期
court.
居住嘅嚇，或者係
And
嗰個人
all
咧
of these
將會被驅
agencies
逐
have
出
local
境咧，
offices,
佢
and
個
they're
佢一
based
啲
in the
所
Bay,
有
in the larger
嘅
Bay
嗰
Area.
個
They're based in
法
downtown
律
San
方面嘅程
Francisco,
序嚇，
pretty much near the Montgomery
都係叫
BART
做嗰個
stop.
上訴委員會嗰度嚇。
I started to explain this a little bit more, but the way that folks are typically interacting day to day, if
咁
they
啊，你依
are
家
a
咧，
non-citizen,
如
and a
果你唔
non-citizen
係一個
encompasses, as it
公
says in
民
the name,
嚇
it，encompasses everybody that's not a citizen.
即係
So
每
that's
一個人咧
people
都，
with a
如
green
果係
card,
冇
which is
係
also
綠
called
卡
permanent
㗎，
residents. A green
或者
card
係
is
永
permanent
久
residence
居
or
民啦，
lawful permanent resident.
或
Those
者
are all the
係
same
以
thing.
合法嘅
Those
永
folks
久居
and
民
then folks
啦，
without any status at all. So people
同
that
埋
are
咧有
completely
證定係
undocumented.
無
And then
證
folks
嘅
that might
嗰
have
啲
something
居
in
民咧，
between. Might be hearing things like parole in the news a lot.
有啲人係
Or people
緩
with a
刑，
pending application,
或者
maybe for
係
asylum,
等待嘅，
or
或
maybe
者
a
係佢
pending
哋
visa
嘅
application. So they don't have that
申請
formal
緊綠
immigration
卡或者
status
申
yet,
請緊
but they're
政
on
治
that
庇
way,
護
and
㗎，
they sort of have a semi-status.
佢
And
哋就
therefore
係一
are
個好似一
treated
半
differently,
嘅咁嘅
especially
狀
under
態，
Trump 2, by the
但係
immigration
佢哋依家
system.
咧係被區
So
別
when
對
most
待
folks
嚇，
are interacting with these
咁
three
啊
different sort of
啲
like
人咧同呢啲
agencies that I just
啲唔
described,
同嘅嗰
ICE,
個機構咧，
USCIS, and the immigration
即
court
係接觸
system,
嘅時
is
候咧，
typically because if you're not a green card holder,
如果你
you
唔
likely
係有
have
綠卡
ICE
嘅人咧，
check-ins.
你可能
Under
有
Trump
可能
2,
有
there's
叫做
lots of ICE
ICE
check-ins
check-in，
happening in
叫
person.
做 ICE 簽
There
到，就係
was
要 親自
a
去。
push during both COVID, just because everybody had to shut down, but
呢
then during the Biden administration to
咁
stop
喺
forcing
Biden 嗰
people
時
to
咧，
come in
咁啊
person
嗰時咧
to
佢
be
係話
very
疫情當中
traumatizing.
咧係唔叫嗰啲人咧唔
And
係
also
唔
take
使
up a
要
lot of
親
people's
自
time, pulling
去
kids out of school, pulling people out of work to
強制
attend
嗰啲人
these
去
meetings at
現
6:15
場去
Eastern,
簽到嘅
6:30
嚇，
Centum in San
要係
Francisco. And that's
630
essentially
Sansom
just so
街。
that ICE can make sure that the person has not fled or has moved,
咁啊
and
咧，
that
佢哋
person
要
is
確保嗰
attending
個
the
人咧係
immigration
冇
court
逃走，
hearing if
或
they
者
have
係冇
immigration
搬
court, if
家，
they're in immigration court, and they have an upcoming hearing.
即
Those
係
are
佢哋未有未
typically
來嘅嗰個
in person,
移
but
民
they
法庭
also
嘅
have
聽
different
證
means of
會嚇。
reaching people.
咁啊，
They
佢哋有唔
contact
同嘅
people through
方式咧，係
applications on
追
their
蹤
phone that are
人嚇，
downloaded
或
to
者
their
佢哋
phone,
電話
and they
上邊
come
嘅
when
應
folks
用
come
程
in
序。
through the border if they come in without documents.
咁啊，如果嗰
They can
啲過
also
咗從
have
邊
people
境過嚟嘅
do
人咧係冇
have
證
to
嘅，
check in via phone calls,
咁啊咧
automated
佢係用
phone calls with
電
authorized
話咧
central
係
numbers.
叫做
And
簽
unfortunately,
到。
in more extreme cases, and we're seeing these happen more under Trump
咁啊，
2,
依家我哋
payment
係
checkers,
呢
which
度
look just like
見
they
到
sound.
咧係叫做
And all of those are handled
一
through
嗰
ICE
啲
and one
追
of
蹤嘅
ICE's
人嚇。
contractors, a private company called
咁啊
ISAP, and that's the company that sort of
，ICE 咧
like
係要
keeps
同啊
track of
ISAP
human
咧，
beings
佢係
through these
做有
applications that I
伙伴
just
關
mentioned.
係，咁係佢
Another
哋咧
category which
係
folks
強
might
化
be familiar
嗰
with
個
if they've become
移
a
民
green
同
card
埋海
holder
關
and
執法
they've
局嘅
gotten
監督
citizenship
計劃
before
嚇。
is USCIS. That actually shares the same building as
今日
ICE
咧，
here.
我哋
That federal
USCIS 咧，
building
我
at
哋有
630
講過嚇，
Sansom, that's where interviews happen for
係六
citizenship.
所以
That's
美
where
國
different
公
types
民與
other
移民
types
服
of
務局
interviews
咧，
happen.
即係同
And for
移民
people
福利有
that are
關嘅，因為嗰
seeking
個同你
like
申請
undefined
有關
immigration
嘅嚇。
status, like a green card,
就係綠
etc.
卡啦，
That's
或
not
者
where
係
those
入籍
asylum
啊
interviews
嗰度
happen.
嚇。
That happens somewhere. Those happen in a different
咁啊，
building
嗰
in
個
San
庇
Francisco.
護嘅嗰個
It's things that are called
面
affirmative
談咧，唔
action. So
係
things
呢
that you're
間
applying
辦公室
for when you're
咁
not in
進行啊，
immigration
佢係
court
另
if
外
you're
一個大
eligible
樓
to
度。
maybe get a
呢
green card
呢度咧
through
係
a
630
spouse or family
Sansom
member
嘅。
or some other like a humanitarian form of immigration protection outside of the immigration court system. And then
咁
the
今日
lastly, we
咧，
have the
我
immigration
哋有
court
一
system.
個即係
This
個
is
移民
not,
法
we'll
庭
talk
啊。
about this a little bit more,
我
but
遲
this
啲會
is
講多啲咧，
technically
呢個咧就係
in
遣送
lawyer
程
speak,
序
these
咧，
are not real
係呢
courts
度
in
舉
the
行
sense
嘅。
that they are
咁啊，
not
個
federal
人就
courts. So
遣
they're
返咧
not
提出
in
辯
when
護，
you hear
咁啊
about
法院咧
you
去
know,
學
all of these
下令
injunctions,
下
all
令咧
of these
嗰個
judges
抉
from
擇咧，
across the country
嗰個
that
申
are
請人
pushing
咧或者
back
嗰人咧
against
去
some of the
驅逐
Trump
嗰啲人。
administration's policies and they're, you know,
咁啊有人咧
enjoining
佢
or
哋係
stopping some of these policies from happening or issuing orders.
咁啊嗰啲人
That's
佢
not
唔
these
想
courts.
為一啲
These
好
courts
啲
are the
政策啊，
administrative courts, which are under the
呢
Department
啲
of
係叫
Justice.
做
So technically
行
the
政
Trump
司法
administration
部
controls
嘅
them,
行
but
政
they're
嘅
supposed to
法
be
庭，
neutral judges
但係佢哋係
that
應該係
hear
中立
people's
嘅法
immigration
官。
cases.
佢哋係
And
嚟
these are
聽嗰
people
啲
who
人
have
嘅
been
移民
caught
嘅個案，
or have
咁啊嗰
maybe
啲人咧係
committed
可能
crimes
係
and therefore
俾
are
逮捕嘅，
deportable from the United
或
States.
者咧佢哋係
And you
有
have to
犯下
prove
刑事 罪咧，咁咪咧佢哋係會被遣返。咁咪咧你就要自己做，即係要攞出證明話點解我自己係唔可以被驅逐，我應該可以留喺美國嘅。
That should keep you from actually being deported. And
咁咧仲有咧，有嗰啲唔同嘅，即係移民嘅保護措施咧。今日咧啲人咧都可以唔俾人啦，即係唔俾嗰個移民法庭咧，佢哋
Many of them focus on helping people who are in immigration court and stopping the deportation process by filing and winning an asylum case, or a cancellation of removal case. There are certain types of immigration applications that immigration judges can hear.
咁啊咧，有
that
啲嗰啲個
it's
移民
not
法
it's
庭
it's
咧，
that are
佢哋
outside the
係
USCIS
會
system, that interview process that I
係
just
即係
mentioned
個嗰
earlier.
個
And those are
嗰個
where
面
there are a
談
lot
方
of
面
people
嘅。
having their immigration court hearings
咁啊，有時你會聽到有好多人咧，佢會係叫做係個聯邦法庭咧，咁啊咧有嗰個聽證會，咁啊咧嗰個係有法官去確定咧佢哋是否係要被遣返佢哋個國家或者係驅逐出境嘅嚇。
they're administrative courts, but not actually these big federal courts that you've probably been hearing in the news issuing all these orders against policies or for policies of the current administration. So it's really important at this
咁啊，
time.
依家咧係
We
呢
are
個
a
好
bit
重要嘅咧，
insulated in the Bay Area from
即係係
the
我哋
brunt of a lot
嘅
of law enforcement
係灣區
immigration
啦
law
嚇。
enforcement actions. However, as we might have
雖
also
然
heard in
係
the news, the
冇
Trump
似
administration
其他
in
地
many ways
方
is
咁
targeting
激
California
進嚇，但係你
because
要知道咧，我哋睇到
outspoken
新聞咧都係
many
我嗰
senators
個總統咧係要針對
legislators
加中㗎嚇。
and local politicians and leaders are against the Trump administration. So we can
咁啊，
really
因為
see a
知道我哋
pattern
呢度有
of
好
the
多
second Trump administration
嗰啲
punishing
當地嘅
people
官員
pretty
咧，當地嘅
systematically
嗰
for
個
pushing
政
up
治
against
人物
or
咧，佢
refusing
哋
to
係反
comply
對嗰個
or
新嘅 Trump
challenging
政
the
府㗎嚇。
policies. So
咁啊，
although
佢
we
哋
haven't
係
seen a huge
挑
rush
戰嚇。
of immigration enforcement here in the Bay Area that's more than in other places, we still have seen enforcement actions here in the Bay
咁啊，即
Area.
係其實我哋喺灣區都有見到執法嘅嗰個行動嚇。 即係我覺得咧，因為我哋加州太多人反對我哋個聯邦政府，所以佢哋咧依家就係等於係懲罰我哋咁啊。所以我哋而家講下區分執法部門同埋自己個權利嚇。好，咁啊，我哋移民同埋海關執法局嘅官員咧，
to sort of hide their identity because in the age of the internet and social media, there's a lot of attention and a lot of scrutiny on what ICE officers are doing.
咁
who
啊，
they're
我
going
哋最
after,
想
how
知
they're
道咧
doing it, in what
，ICE 個嗰
places,
個
what do they say, what do they do? Technically,
即
you
係
have the
話
right to film these people. We'll talk about that.
即係話你可以將佢哋錄影咯。有啲人最知道咩叫做 ICE 咧嚇，就佢哋做緊乜嘢咧嚇。
Those are really the only two types of law enforcement.
咁啊，你要知道咧，有兩種執法機關嘅，有一種係真係我哋嘅警察，有個咧就係 或者係當地嘅警察，同嗰個聯邦政府係冇乜關係嘅嚇。 我哋當地嘅警察咧係加州嚟講啊，係唔可以分享信息俾嗰個 ICE 㗎。
helping an immigration officer to try to find somebody that is
你係
unlawful.
見
and
唔
that's
到，
not
即係加州係
So ICE officers
違
will
法
typically
嘅，
see like some of
就
these
係我哋
example
個
photos
當地嘅
with
警
the
察係唔
police
可
in
以
the vest.
同
They're often friends in plain clothes. I
嗰
think
個
I saw
ICE 人一
these photos,
齊。
especially that top one. And
你
what
可
we're
以見
seeing
到
more
呢
in the
啲
community
相
are
咧，
plainclothes immigration officers with sort of a
咁
semi-hidden
我哋可以見到
badge.
呢啲人
They're
咧，
supposed to
佢着住
legally have
嗰
some
個
form of identification, but they are not
ICE 個
just a
衫
civilian.
嚇。
However, you might be seeing social media posts horrifically and tragically students and other
因為咧，
activists
因為佢哋咧係
and
會
other
要
people
着
of
住
color
嗰個
being
執法
essentially
機關
kidnapped
嘅
off
嗰
of the streets and put
個
in their homes with people that kind of
佢
look
哋嘅
like
制
just
服嘅。
anybody.
但係你要知
They're
道
almost
咧，依家
always
就有好
men
多
for some
社交
reason.
媒體咧，
You'll see in
佢
a lot
哋
of
咧
news.
係有
However,
見到啲
they
便
will
衣啊，
typically
或
have
者
a
嗰啲
badge
冇
that
着
looks
住
like police
制服
or
嘅人咧，
immigration
將啲
police,
學生啊，
maybe just
嗰
police.
啲
But it's always
即係
very
政治嘅積極
important,
分
as
子
you can see
咧
in that second or
拉
third
走
bullet
個，
point, to
即係非
ask
常
when
之
you are not sure if you are being
悲劇
confronted
嘅
or
係咁樣
approached by
嚇。
someone to show their badge, to identify themselves. They will usually have a badge number or an agent number, and you have the right to take that down. Note
同埋
that
咧，
when we do
佢哋
recommend you do
如果
so.
佢哋係
It's
ICE 嘅
also
話咧，
to
佢哋係有
to
佢哋個
distinguish
牌子，
who that
你要
person
佢攞
is.
佢
Are
個
you
名，
local police or are
攞
you
佢個
immigration?
號
In the
碼，
United States,
你要
that
問
makes
清
no
佢哋，
sense.
佢哋係當地嘅警
Then,
察，
as we'll talk
定
about
係
in a
佢哋
second,
係
you have a
ICE 咧？
that's sort of like a decision tree in the sense once you know whether they're local police or whether
如
they're
果你知道佢係當地嘅
immigration,
警察，或
what
者
you
係
can
佢係
do
移
is
民
what your
執
rights
法
are.
嘅，
There are
咁啊
different
你係
rights to
知道
circumstances.
你要點樣去反應啊？你有乜嘢權利？遲啲我哋會
Here
詳
is just
細嘅講㗎。
one example of an ICE enforcement, just a screen cap from one of the earliest ICE enforcement examples in the Bay Area, which was near the Oakland Coliseum. There also have
咁
been
Oakland
immigration
嗰
arrests
個
in the city of San
體育館
Francisco.
嗰度咧
The
嚇，
ones that
係
the ones that have happened so far are
咁啊你可以
targeted
見到
people with a significant criminal history that were
咁樣咧，佢哋
undocumented.
其實係針對
But
啲人、啲
ICE
無
became
證
aware of them
嘅
or knew they
居民咧，
existed,
但係
and
佢
then
哋係
they
有刑
pursued
事
them
犯
at
咗
their
刑事
place
罪
of
嘅
work
背
or
景嘅嚇。
sometimes in neighborhoods, sort of looking for certain people, etc. So it's really important right now. This is something that Jasmine
而
had
家咧
mentioned
就
in the
非常之
beginning.
重
Is
要嚇，Jasmine 之
one of the
前有
reasons why
講
we put
過，
on these presentations
呢
and
個就
lots of
係其中一
information
個
is
原
so
因咧，就
important
係
at
我
this
哋
time is
點樣去
to
做呢
empower
個，點
people
樣去做呢一
and
個
to
講
roll
解
back a
咧，
sense of
就係想知
panic
道咧，
and
我哋呢個
fear that the
信息
Trump
咧
administration
係
is
咁
broken
強
up
大咧，就係因為大
to
家咧
freeze
千祈
people
冇
and sort
人
of
是
and keep
冇搞到人
information,
心
keep
惶惶
correct
咁樣啦。
information away
因為我哋
from
咧係
folks
要
that are
俾
being
大家
targeted
咧提供
to
正確嘅信
manipulate
息，
the news or to manipulate the law or messaging and to
即
create
係防
panic
止
within
嗰
people
啲
and to
虛
teach
假
them
嘅信息喺度
create as many
傳播啦。
obstacles between empowering people and knowing what their rights are and actually utilizing those things. So it's really important, and we'll talk
對
a
我嚟
bit
講咧係
about
非常之
how this
重要
throughout
嘅
this
咧，所
presentation
以我哋一直都有喺度
to
講咧，
verify information. So for
我哋係要核
example,
實嗰啲嘅
an
信
example
息，
of sort of not leaning into panic is
即係
when
話
you
我哋係
see
點
a
樣去
police
冇
officer
焦慮嚇。
approaching a building or something, immediately thinking that it's immigration or ICE.
咁啊，如果你
We
見到
have
嘅
a
警察
rapid
喺一個大
response
樓咧，
system, a network here
見到
in
啲
San
警察咧，其實
Francisco.
冇即刻就
San
諗起
Francisco
咧，佢
Rapid
哋係
Response. We're a member
嗰
of
個
the Earth
ICE 㗎
Lawyer
嚇。
Committee, many other
我哋有
nonprofit
一
sort
個
of
叫做 Rapid Response Network，
volunteer
我哋叫
a
做
member
快
of
速
our
反
staff,
應
members of our
嘅
staff
嗰
who
個
all serve on
系
this
統咧，
Rapid Response
我哋
Network.
我哋
And
喺
how
呢
that
個
works is
即係呢個網絡
you
系
put
統
in a
裏
call
邊
to
咧，
the
我哋
network, we'll be
係
putting that
有
information
嗰
up on the
個
screen and other
律
details
師
about
啊，
that.
咁啊喺度
And
提供
we,
信
as
息
the
嘅。
different
咁我哋會提供
immigration
電話號碼。
advocates will verify that that incident
咁啊，我
is
哋
in fact
係
immigration
即係
enforcement,
一個組
and
織
we
嚇。
will
今日我
try to
哋
get
係可
contact
以
with the
核實
affected people
所
or their
發生
family
嘅事嘅。
members and try
遲
to
啲我
help
哋要
them
將電話號碼揸喺
however we
上邊
can.
嘅嚇。
Many folks, if they're arrested, they're put into temporary immigration detention at that same building on
咁啊，如果有
6th and
人
Mason,
咧，
not
佢係
just when a
被
visa
逮捕
check-in
咧，佢
happens.
係會
They're
真
actually
係
held there for
一
a
個
relatively short
暫
period of
時
time, but there's a jail in that building
短
for
暫
citizens,
嘅
and
喺
that's
度
where they're
嚇。
temporarily held before they're
即係
moved
喺
to a
63
permanent
年 Sansom 咧有一個
immigration
短暫嘅
detention
嗰
center.
個居
There
留
are a
中
couple
心。
left in California. There aren't
咁啊
any
喺加
left
州
up in
仲
Northern California. However, they're typically placing people in immigration detention at
咁
Golden
啊咧
State
佢
Annex, which
叫
is
Golden State Annex 個地方咧，係佢
in the
哋成
middle of
日
the state
拉住
or
嗰
in
個
Southern California.
非法移
Effectively,
民
they have
喺
the
嗰
right
度
to
暫
send
時
people to any place in the country
拘留
that
嘅
they
地
see
方。
fit, and there are few mechanisms to keep them from doing that once someone is detained. So it's really important
咁好
to
重要嘅係咧，
verify information, to
你
work through
係
that
要核
response
實你
system
聽
so
到
that
個
we can
信
work
息，
together to make sure
同佢
that
哋嘅
we
快速
are
響應系統咧
that we
聯
are
絡，
identifying legitimate
同佢哋合
immigration
作。
enforcement actions, taking photos and video where
咁啊
it's
咧，你
safe,
要記得咧係
and
有
you
安
feel
安
like
全
it is
嘅
safe for
時候
you
咧，
to
你要
go
打
in your
電話。
individual
你
capacity,
可以
and of course always calling, like I
除咗
mentioned,
打電話
911
俾 Rapid
hotline.
Response 咧，你仲可以拍
Hey Hayden, sorry to
照
interrupt.
同埋
Would you be able to
錄
just
影
slow down
嘅。
a smidge just for the interpreters to catch up to
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. And I'm sorry to the interpreters. I've been on both sides, and I apologize for speaking a little too quickly. So in this next section, I
咁啊，下一
mentioned
部分咧，我有
previously
講
there are
到，
certain protections that we have
咁啊有一
locally
啲
here
係
at
叫
the
做提
state
供
level,
保
at the
護
city
嘅係，
level, at
我
the
哋
county
有
level
有
to
縣
keep some
層
of the
面、
more
市
intense
層面、
immigration
州
policies,
層面
federal
嘅唔
immigration
同嘅嗰
policies
個
from
避
affecting
難嘅計劃
the
下，
population here,
咁啊係點
especially
樣？我哋點樣
undocumented
保護
population or the semi-documented population.
嗰啲
And typically here those described as
半
sanctuary
有
laws.
證同埋冇證
Many,
嘅嗰
actually
個
most of our
居民
cities
嘅
in
嚇。
the Bay Area are considered sanctuary cities.
聽我哋
And the
我哋個
state of
灣區咧
California is
有
also
好
considered
多
a
地
state,
方咧係叫
excuse
做
me,
庇
a
護城
sanctuary
市。
city, in the sense that we have state laws that
咁
mandate
我哋仲有州嘅
restrictions
法律咧，
on sharing information between
係佢係
state,
限制
city, or local
限
officials.
制
That includes the
當
police,
地
that includes all the way up to the
同埋
governor in the
州
state of
同
California
同埋
with
縣咧，
information
佢哋之間
with these
分
different
享
immigration
信
agencies
息
for the
俾
purposes
唔
of
同
the
嘅
of
移民
immigration
機構
enforcement.
㗎嚇。
So that's everything, as I'd mentioned, from you're not going to see police officers, and they
你係
cannot. You won't see the Alameda Sheriff's
然後即
Department
係話咧，加州咧無法阻止移民同埋許婚執法局咧，或者係聯邦移民局啲人員咧進入加州咧，同埋我哋嘅社區嚇。但係咧，除個別 嗰個例外嘅情況之外咧，州同埋地方資源係唔可以用於協助聯邦移民執法嘅嚇，所以禁止加州執法機構咧同ICE 合作嘅嚇。即係我哋當地嘅警察係唔會分享啲信息咧嚇，俾嗰個 ICE 嘅。
However, during this time, we have really seen counties and
我
cities
哋有見到
step
縣
up
同
and
埋
be
市
very
咧，
vocal about
因為佢哋咧係有
resistance
提
to
係發出聲音，
immigration,
佢哋係
officers
會
encroaching on our local cities and local populations and trying to, as much as they can,
今
push
日咧
up
佢哋
against
盡力嘅係，
the rolling out of new different immigration policies, including
即係唔想有新嘅
creating
移民
certain
嘅
categories
政
of
策咧，
people
不停咁樣
that
推
are
推出
of
嚟
more
嚇。
priority to immigration. So they're going to be going after people, for example, that have certain types of
譬如
criminal
咁，
records. That came
即係
through
可
the
能依家
border
有
into
啲人
the
咧
southern
就係
border
追住嗰
unlawfully
啲係可能有
recently and
刑
have
事
been here
案
in the
底
United
嘅
States.
人。
Although above board, they still don't have any status, and therefore they're technically a priority now to the government. So any way in which we've been seeing the state,
我哋係
but
見到我哋
honestly
嘅
mostly
州政
localities
府咧，
really trying to
啊，
push up
就係
against
更多我哋嘅
as much as
當地
possible
嘅
the new
係，
immigration enforcement priorities that the second Trump immigration
即係話佢哋係
administration
唔會
has
執行咧
deployed
嗰個
during
聯
this
邦
period.
嘅嗰個
So,
移民
like I
政
said,
策㗎嚇。
there are limitations as to what local law enforcement can do to
所
protect
以我哋
people,
當
though,
地嘅執
unfortunately.
法機關咧
Because there's
係，
federal
佢都
immigration
想
law and
保
the federal
護
government kind
啲
of
人，但
controls
係
that
咧，因為
court
我哋
system.
仲有聯邦
It
個法
does
律喺我
cut
哋
out
之上。
the local police from protecting people in any way they see fit. So, for example, the police, the state of California
譬如
cannot.
講我哋
You
個
might think of like, oh,
誒
why
警
can't we
察，
just keep immigration officers from coming into the state at all?
即係可
Like,
唔
why
可
are
以
we
阻
even
止
allowing that
IC
to
啲人
happen?
嚟到
Unfortunately,
我
there's
哋
no
加
way to
州
do
咧？
that under
我
the
哋唔
law.
俾佢哋
There's no
入
way to
嚟
keep
咧，
immigration from
因為我哋
coming
唔
into
得，
a
因為
community,
嗰啲
coming
係
into
唔
a
合法
city,
律
and they have
嘅。
the right to do so under the law as it is right now. But the exceptions come in when it comes to information sharing. That's really where we
所以依家
can
咧就係
stop the
唯一
ship,
嘅地
stop
方就係我哋
try
係
to put as many
嗯
obstacles
當
in
地
the
嘅
way
嗰
of
個
immigration
警
actually
警
keeping
察或
up
者
the
執法
human
機
beings
關咧，
by
同移
identifying and
民
locating
機
human
構咧
beings
分
and
享
sending them to
信息、
immigration.
分
Because
享
once that
資源
happens,
嚇。
there's nothing that really that California or a local police can do to protect somebody. It's more keeping them from getting there. And then, of course, working with schools and local businesses,
咁
etc.
咪
to
同我
help
哋
them
嘅學堂
create
啊，同埋當地
protection
嘅嗰
plans
個企業啦，
and
我哋嚟制定
family
咧
planning,
保護嘅
etc.
計劃
to make
同
sure
埋
that
家
folks
庭嘅計
are
劃，
fully aware of their rights and can move
都
into
要確
more
保啊，大家都
into
了解
safer
自己嘅
spaces
權
if
力。
there is an immigration enforcement action at their
如
home
果係有
or
ICE 嘅
elsewhere.
行動咧，我哋都希望咧保護大家嘅
And this
安
just
全。
goes through some of the things that local law enforcement can't do. Like you'll never hear a police officer.
今日呢度就講到咧，我哋嘅嗰個警察咧係唔可以做嘅咧，就係詢問你個移民身份，或者應你有驅逐令或者大多數其他違反移民法嘅行為咧嚟逮捕你。啲當地嘅警察咧係唔可以同 ICE 嚟分享你嘅個人信息，如係同埋家庭住址，除非呢啲信息係公開嘅嚇。佢哋唔可以同ICE 或者係海關及邊境保護局咧個其他合作嘅嗰個限制。
In the state of California.
所以喺加州咧，如當地嘅警察係唔可以做下邊啱啱講過嗰啲嘢嘅嚇。咁樣咧，我哋評估移民同埋海關執法局同埋反移民政策，俾我哋嘅社區帶嚟個危險嚇。所以有啲人咧，佢就係好驚，同埋我哋個危險嚇。
Is really the difference between what's the actual danger to you and the people in your environment, maybe your employees, maybe your family members, your students, your teachers.
有啲人可能就擔心你個鄰居、你個老師、你個學生嚇。
space with the sense of hopelessness. And so trying to
而家就
balance
令好
that
多人
with
覺得咧係
actual
冇希望㗎嚇。
objective danger is a really
咁你要睇到乜嘢叫
tool
做
to use during
客
this time.
觀嘅嗰個危險？ 今日咧，陣間講到咧，係我哋個社區中咧，我哋發現咗 ICE 咧，咁有邊啲人可能係面臨更加高嘅風險咧？嚇？
going out there in the community, sending officers to go there to arrest somebody or to question somebody, and
如
actually
果佢哋
trying
去揾人或者係質問人咧嚇，或者係拘押人咧，有邊啲人可能有更加高個風險啊嚇？
This is consistent usually across administrations, but particularly in this administration when there's a lot of language, rhetoric, messaging.
今日咧係啲人咧就係
criminals across the board, whether they have a criminal history or not.
依家係唔可以話叫嗰啲或即係無證嘅居民，唔係話只可以全部叫佢係罪犯㗎。今日咧嗰啲邊啲人有比較高嘅風險咧，就係刑事拘留，或有刑事定罪記錄嘅人嚇，同埋咧有收到移民法庭最終驅逐令嘅嗰個人。今日咧係過去2年咧冇同移民官互動地，但係如果邊境嘅個人，今日嚟自Venezuela 海地啊、尼加拉瓜啊、古巴啊，但係即係佢哋有獲得假釋入境嘅嗰啲人嚇。
The other type of people that are the group of folks that are also a high priority under this administration are people who have been ordered deported previously. You might see final order of removal or order.
所以啱啱都講到呢幾種人咧，係就面臨更加高嘅風險嚇。如果係有 ICE 嚟有任何係我哋嘅社區裏邊咧，係有任何嘅行動嘅話嚇，所以有講到刑事拘留或者有刑事定罪記錄，同埋咧有收到移民法庭最終驅逐令嗰啲嚇。所以啱啱有講到呢2點。因為佢哋之前已經係嗰個移民系統裏邊咧，今日我哋嘅政府咧自然有多啲佢哋嘅信息啊。今日佢哋可以追蹤呢啲人。
Without interacting at all with immigration enforcement within the past 2 years. This also includes
同埋係呢
2
年咧偷渡過嚟嗰啲人啊。
And then been released into the country for the purposes of doing their immigration court case or because there was some humanitarian reason why immigration
或者可能人道嘅方面咧，或者係有人佢哋係非法居民，但係佢哋可以喺呢度同佢嘅親戚或者朋友住埋一齊，一直到佢哋完成佢哋嘅嗰個移民方面嘅法律訴訟。
Special programs, parole programs. From Venezuela, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Cuba.
係，所以我哋講到呢個南美嗰幾個國家。
To come into the United States or stay if they were already here, with a special semi-immigration status called parole that would allow them to work.
因為同埋有講到咧係一個假釋嘅嗰個身份嚇。
And unfortunately, like we've now seen, it can be taken away almost immediately when there's a change.
而且咧最近嘅話咧係知道咧呢一種假釋嘅身份咧係可以即刻被聯邦政府取消㗎。
An enormous number of parole cancellation or parole termination notices for people from these countries.
咁我哋呢排咧，我哋見到好多取消呢個保釋嘅嗰個。咁咧呢排有更加多㗎啦嚇。
To try to begin to remove them. I'm going to skip over this slide just for a moment, but this is just
咁啊呢度咧，就睇下咩叫做 ICE 嘅嗰個登記嘅嚇，即係提供有關如何安排某啲人咧係到 ICE 嘅去簽到嘅嗰個説明。咁啊呢個全部都係英文版嘅嚇。咁啊如果你係收到如同此類通知或者定期要向 ICE 咧去嗰度報到嚇，今日咧我哋建議你咧尋求移民律師嘅幫助。
To not sign anything or agree to anything in writing until you've read it in English. And of course, best case scenario is to work with Immigration Counsel to try to figure out what you should do next.
通常唔講英文嘅人咧，如果你收到啲咁樣嘅嘢咧， 你唔使話完全要簽嘅，
There's
你
a
去問下
category
你
of
個律
people right
師。
now that we're saying that aren't in imminent danger, sort of like the previous group that we'd mentioned. And those are folks
今日咧，我哋仲有講
that
到
aren't
咧，
detained. They are neither can't be detained or there's a very low likelihood
剛
that
剛
they
講到
will
邊
be
啲人最
detained.
有危險
And
咧，
those are
係
people
在你依家係
who are US citizens or they're green card
即
holders,
係剛
so
開
they
始
already have
係
asylum
之
granted
前話
or some
啲
type of
人啊
visa
係
already
即
granted
係好
that aren't
驚噶嘛，呢
citizens
啲人咧
yet,
反而冇咩
that
危
aren't
險嘅，就
US
係
citizens
你
yet.
依家
So
係美
there's
國
no
公
there's
民或
really
者
no
擁
danger
有
for
有
immigration to go
效
after
嘅
those people unless
移
they've
民
done
身份啦，譬
something,
如講
unless
庇
something
護
that
綠
you
卡或者
have
係其他嘅
committed a
簽
crime
證。
for which they've been convicted. And
咁
now
咧，
they're
或者你
providing
目
you
前
with
咧
immigration
有向美國
support.
公
I'm gonna
民同埋
challenge this person's green
移
card
民
because
服
they
務
should have
局
it. This cannot
USCIS
happen with US
申
citizens.
請移
US
民福
citizens
利嚇，
are
或者
not
你呢個咁
deportable,
樣嘅申
but
請
under
咧
the
係
law
俾批
are
准
not
㗎啦
detainable,
嚇。
are not deportable, cannot be questioned and like gone into their
咁
immigration
啊，你
status,
目前
etc.
擁有
We
有
are
效
hearing
嘅 DACA、
unprecedented
TPS
stories
或
of
者其
US
他受
citizens
保護
being
嘅身
deported to
份，
other
你
countries
記
and
得啦，
held
你
in prison.
帶住
That is
嗰
not
啲
something
文
that
件
is
咧
contemplated
係
or
可
thought
以
about
係
in
一
the
個
law
複
at
印
all, and it's
件啊嚇。
highly illegal and
你千
highly
祈唔好帶你個
unconstitutional.
文
Living
件
in a
嘅
crisis
即
situation
係
when it comes
原
to sort of how the
原
immigration
版啊，你要帶個
how
副
this
本啊。
administration is treating even US citizens. So this is an area of this is a new territory here that I would have usually gone through this slide in a second, but unfortunately we have to sort of think about as well the ways in which this government is manipulating or breaking the
咁
law.
啊，我哋要睇下我哋嘅嗰個政府係點樣，因為佢自己嘅
These
目
are
的
the
咧
very last
係
category
違
too,
反
folks
咗
who
法
have
律嘅。
DACA. That's a deferred action for childhood arrivals, things like temporary protected status, also called TPS. Other types
DACA 咧
of
就係關於可能
special
是否有
statuses
小朋
that
友。
the president, that the whatever
TPS
administration is in power can grant. Those are something that you should, if you have one of those
如
statuses,
果
should
你
be
有其中嘅
constantly
一
checking
樣嘅
in
嗰個身份
with
咧，
the
你係
immigration
要
court
定
messaging
期
on the
嘅
USCIS
去簽
website
到嚇，
to
特別
see
你要
or
去
to have an
USCIS
attorney
個
check
網
in with
站。
them constantly to see if there are any changes in those programming.
咁啊，你
The
係要
president does
同
have the power to
聯
change those
絡你
programs
個移
pretty
民律
easily,
師，
but
睇下
judges and advocates
嗰
are
個
suing to try to stop those changes and
DACA 或
keep
者係
people with those
TAPS
statuses as
tax
much as
有
possible.
咩改變？
Another group of people that are probably not in enforcement right now is if you're
咁
already
啊係
sort
有
of
另外
above
一組
board with the
人咧，
system, meaning you're in immigration court proceedings, you have your ICE check-ins, you have an upcoming immigration
即係話
hearing
咧，
coming up, you're already in contact with immigration, they already know where you are.
你唔
You're
會俾
likely,
嗰
unless you've
個
committed a really serious crime or you've lost your immigration case, you're likely not
即
a
係話，如
priority.
果你係
It is
冇被
always
移民
important
同
when
埋
you're
海
going to your ICE
關嘅
check-in
嗰
to
個
have a plan, know exactly what your immigration status is, know
執法
exactly when the
機
next
機
hearing
構
is
咧
to go to
嚇，
immigration court, so that you know
哦
you can
嗰個
calculate and make a plan, a
你
safety
冇
plan
嗰個
with
依
your
家嘅
loved
嗰
ones
個
or with
危
your
險
attorney if
嘅
you
咧，
have one,
就係你目前咧
what
處
to do
已經
if
係一個
ICE
遣
tries
返
to
程序
get
當中，
strange
但係你
or
冇
push
錯
you
過
in a
日後
different
嘅法
way
庭
or
聽證
threaten
會。
you or your
今日
family
咧，
members,
你即
etc.
將係移民
Never
法
bring
庭
people,
接
for
受
example, to
聽
your ICE
證嚇。
appointment
今日咧，
or
你
to
喺
an
邊
immigration
境
court
咧，同埋
hearing
當局有
that
接
are
觸
non-citizens.
並
It's not
獲
safe to do
准
that
或者
right
釋
now.
放到美國
Keep
個
people
境
at
內，
home,
咁啊，
go to
以
these
便喺
appointments
呢
just
度
with
個移民法
citizens,
庭
for
咧尋
example,
求
is a
庇
big
護。
piece of advice that we're giving folks. Try to keep as many people away from the immigration court system that aren't citizens as possible. So when it comes to immigration court, I'll go over
咁
this
啊，嚟
briefly
到
because
我
it's a
哋嘅
little bit
移民法
noisy and
庭
doesn't
咧嚇。
necessarily affect many people.
呢
If
個
you've
咧，
been
我
in
哋稍
immigration
微講
court
少少，係因為
proceedings,
唔係話
you'll have
有
various
影響
pieces
太
of
多人。
paper that will arrive at your house. If
咁
you
你
do
當
not have
你
an attorney
係
yet
聽
in
證
your
會嘅
immigration court
嗰
case,
個
you're
通知
getting
嘅時候
an
咧，你會
invite
收到
to
好多
come.
唔同嘅嗰
It's
個
extremely
文件，
important to keep the immigration
非常
court,
非常
the
重要
local
咧。
immigration court that you are in. So it's either San Francisco if you live in
咁啊，
San
你就知道，如果
Francisco
你住喺三
or
藩市，就係
most
三
of the
藩
Bay
市，
Area.
或者大部分嘅灣區
But
咧
if
都係
you live
三
in
藩市
sort of
移民
East
法庭。
Alameda County
如
and
果你住
beyond
喺
with
亞納
Contra
基
Costa,
大園
etc.,
咧，或者 Contra
you're going to
Costa
be
嗰
at the
度咧，
Concord Immigration Court
你會係
Division, we often
Concord
call
嘅
it.
移
It's a
民法
newer
庭，
immigration court.
你要
Make
比
sure
較
you
深
know
嘅移民
which
法
court you
庭。
have to go to, when
你
you
睇
have to
清楚
turn
你要
there,
去邊
and
一個
always
法
when
庭 庭，
moment that you
你下一
call
次
when
聽
the
證會
moving
係
or
幾
changing
時？
addresses, alert the court to that. There's an
如果你
online
係要
form
搬
that you fill
屋
out to
或
do
者係
that.
改變地
Because
址，
they don't
你
know,
即刻
you know,
去
if you sent to the wrong address,
通
and
知
that
嗰
could, in this
個
climate,
法庭啊。
potentially result in a deportation because you've missed your hearing, and
如果
immigration
你係
judges
冇
have the
去到
power
嗰
to
個
order somebody
聽證會
deported
嘅
even
時
if
候
you
咧，
missed one
佢
hearing
哋
or you're
可
late
以
to
係
even
將
one
你哋
hearing.
驅逐
A lot
出
of our
境
judges
啊。
out here are pretty progressive and they won't do that to people, but some of them will.
我都知道我哋有啲法官係會咁樣做啦。如果你係移民局聽證會通知咧，你係要知道嚇，你係幾時個聽證會係幾月幾號幾點鐘嗰啲，你都要好清楚嚇。咁點樣開始呢個聽證會咧？你係會從嗰個，你係會收到嘅出庭嘅通知書。
Are not a citizen, you don't have any, or you're not a green card holder, you don't have a right to be here in the United States.
咁佢哋會同你講話，你係冇任何嘅文件可以留喺美國嘅，個人你係非法入境嘅嚇。
And we're planning on deporting you, so we've
咁我哋想要驅逐你。今日咧，我哋喺呢個流程開始嘅時候咧，我哋係會將你齋喺咧你個移民法庭上邊嘅。
You have a right to due process, which means you have a
今
right
日
to
咧，
an attorney.
你係上邊呢個叫做出庭通知書咧，即係你係有入境日期同埋地點同埋原籍過國家。
But I'm still eligible for these other things, so you can't deport me.
提供個人嘅 A 號碼嚇，叫做出庭通知書啊，開始啲成個嗰個過程㗎。佢呢個咧唔係刑事法庭嘅任何嘅文件嚇，呢個係移民法庭嘅文件。
That's the equivalent in immigration to this. It's claiming that you did something unlawful.
咁佢上面可能會寫話你可能係做咗任何非法嘅事，但係你係可以去辯論嘅。呢度咧係有叫做移民法庭嘅嗰個熱線電話嚇，咁你可以喺呢度睇到。
Tell your loved one, in your family, so that you have a plan.
咁你要定期咧去查你個移民法庭案件，你想知道下一次聽證會嘅信息，譬如講日期、時間同埋地點。咁如果你係冇律師嘅話咧，咁你咁你先會收到呢即係呢個聽證會嘅信息。
They don't put you at risk if you call or use the online
如果你打呢個電話係即係移民法庭嘅熱線電話咧，全部都係機械人喺度處理，係冇真人喺後邊嘅嚇。
You can use it at the link, but you can also just type into Google immigration court case or immigration court status or something like that, and it'll shoot you this page, and you'll put in your A number, which is the number that was assigned to you and is all.
OK， 我哋嚟到去到呢個網站度咧，你可以見到睇到你個案嘅狀態嚇，aces.eoir.justice.gov.ps，咁A 號碼咧係你一個9個數字嘅號碼嚇。咁你係會揾到咧，你係下一次聽證會嘅信息。
I'm going to go over these pieces here because we've already spoken about. Excuse me 1 second. I'm just closing this little chat here. If you are in immigration court proceedings and you need help, you don't know what to do next.
咁即將在移民法庭舉行聽證會嘅驅逐程序嘅人員啊嚇。
Is to contact the attorney.
佢呢度喺三藩市個嗰個移民法庭咧，我哋係有嗰個一個計劃咧，係呢度有個電話號碼嚇，好似我哋嘅 Rapid Response 嘅嚇。
Okay. So let's get to this piece here.
好，咁我哋就我係要講快啲嚇，我哋已經講咗關於呢方面嘅嚇。咁我哋講下咧，你要知道你個權利即係話如果你喺屋企，你喺學堂，你喺街邊，咁Jackson會同大家講咧，如果你係有個商業，你係如果有 ICE 嘅嗰個警察執法嘅人嚟揸。所以咧，你係要保持冷靜嚇，你千祈唔好，無論你喺邊度。
Never confirm your country of origin.
所以咧，你呢幾個嘢係完全千祈唔好。
Silence is your weapon here.
你要知道你係保持沉默係你嘅武器嚟㗎，你千祈唔好講你個移民身份，講你個原籍國，千祈唔好簽任何嘅文件。如果被捕咧，你係要詢問你個律師記得要保持沉默下，或者係撥打快速反應嘅熱線。你話我依家係有權保持沉默，我想要聯絡我個律師。同埋呢啲咁個互動咧，你係分分鐘可能會影相，或者係被人錄像嘅嚇。
And they might act out. And so do so when it's physically safe for you or for the people that are around.
如果你係安全嘅情況之下咧，就影相同埋錄影。永遠都記得係打電話嚇，訂我哋嘅快速反應熱線咧。三藩市咧就係嘅415-200-1548，我哋係全日開放㗎嚇。如果你三藩市以外嘅咧，阿拉米達縣咧，或者 Contra Costa 咧 ，Stanislaus 其他嘅地方咧，佢哋有自己個快速反應嘅嗰個系統嘅嚇。
What your local rapid response network's information is by going to the website that's here. That's CCIJustice.org/CARRN, as in California Rapid Response Network. You can also Google that.
今日咧，你可以去到CCIJustice.org/CARRN 咧，就可以揾到咧你當地嘅個快速反應嘅嗰個組織嘅或者係任何機構嘅個信息。
And try to protect them or at least advocate for them as much as possible. Okay? So let's talk about briefly work, home, out in the street. If ICE comes to you in those different circumstances.
今日咧，如果 ICE 嚟到你返工嘅地方嚇，啱啱講過咧，嗰啲咧係完全所有任何嘅情況之下咧，都係適用嘅嚇。如果你係返工嘅地方，如果你係一個喺度返工嘅嗰個僱員嚇，遲啲我哋會再講。你可以，如果安全嘅話咧，你轉移到私人或者員工嘅專用嘅區域，呢個係最安全嘅。ICE 咧只可以入到人哋個私人嘅地方咧，除非佢哋係有司法搜查令嘅情況之下，先可以入去㗎嚇。你可以咧係要去問佢，而且你要核實佢哋嘅司法搜查令。
And only with a judicial warrant signed by a federal judge or a federal magistrate judge.
如果係冇司法搜查令嘅話咧 ，ICE 嘅嗰個特工咧需要得到你個允許，先可以入到你個公司或者你私人嘅區域嘅嚇。員工可以拒絕 ICE 進入你哋嘅企業裏邊。
This goes right over what I had just mentioned, is that you ask for that information from ICE if they claim that they want to come in and saying, oh, we're looking for this person, let us in. No.
嗱，你係唔可以係，你話我睇呢個，我見到呢個人，我嚟揾呢個人嚇。如果你喺私人嘅地方。咁啊，如果嗰個 ICE 嘅探員咧係試圖進入你嘅私人嘅區域，你話呢個係私人嘅地方，冇法官簽署嘅司法搜查令，你哋入唔到嚇，你哋有嘛？咁啊，如果 ICE 特工講俾你聽，佢哋有咧，咁你要一個副本咧，你要睇清楚嚇。僱主可以接受呢個搜查令，但係仍然可以拒絕同意搜查。
It's always important to stay calm. It's always important to not sort of run physically.
係一個突擊警察嘅嗰個。如果你真係要，你係要冷靜，係你唔可以跑啊。今日佢哋可能真係有可能會比較讓嗰個事情變得更加糟糕嚇，即係你可以冇逃走啊嚇。
And so, although an administrative warrant This is the non-judicial warrant allows them to arrest you. It doesn't allow them to come into a private space to arrest you.
咁啊，當移民同埋海關執法局向你寫咗僱員姓名嘅行政令嘅時候咧，你不必講出呢個員工是否當日開工，你又唔使帶嗰個 ICE 嘅特工去見呢個逮捕令上面嘅僱員，即使佢當時啱啱係工作緊嚇，咁啊千祈唔好幫助呢個 ICE 嘅特工按照移民身份咧。哦，sorry，佢問我問題，OK，你嚟自嗰即係你進行分類，咁啊你要觀察呢個 ICE 嘅特工，睇佢哋是否係遵守搜查令上面嘅規定。咁啊，如果嗰個 ICE 嘅嗰個特工咧，淨係搜查令中咧未列出個區域咧，咁啊你要表示反對，同埋咧你係要記錄在案嘅嚇。咁啊，如果你同埋你嘅僱員係願意嘅話咧，你應該錄像或者錄音睇呢個 ICE 嘅特工喺你工作場所嘅所作所為，咁啊你都可以證明特工係侵犯咗你或者你個僱員嘅權利。
And it needs to contain a judge's name and be signed or stamped and sealed at the bottom. Okay, it will always say United States District Court at the top. It will not say.
如果係佢一定要睇到上邊嗰個譬如佢哋嘅搜查令咧，係寫住國土安全局。
That's not a judicial warrant. If they have this and they want to get into a private space, sorry. Come back with a judicial warrant. Maybe don't tell them come back with a judicial warrant, but say this is not a judicial warrant. I am not.
OK， 我哋睇清楚呢度咧，就係佢上邊一定要寫住每個聯邦地方法院嘅。如果寫住 ICE 咧就唔係，而且上邊你一定要法官個簽名，咁啊要必須上邊有寫住你正確嘅姓名。如果佢哋有呢個司法嘅搜查令咧，咁啊佢哋入嚟，但係你咧就保持冷靜嚇，保持沉默，同埋咧你可以要求要一個律師嚇。OK， 你稍微等陣。
So after immigration has left, it's always important to record what happened. Like I'd mentioned at the beginning, to write down the badge number, to record the information if it has happened, to write a summary when your memory is fresh of what happened.
OK， 咁啊咧係當嗰個 ICE 嘅突擊佢哋個呢個行動結束之後咧，你要記低呢啲內容喎。當時有幾多個 ICE 嘅探員或者係即係佢裏邊定係裏邊，佢哋着住咩嘢衫，佢哋係點樣武裝嘅，佢哋講咗啲咩嘢。佢哋是否要虐待任何人？如果有，佢哋有做咗啲咩嘢？如果呢個佢哋有逮捕任何員工嘅話咧，你要詢問ICE 嘅特工，佢哋會被帶去邊度？咁啊，如果今日咧越利用呢啲即係信息咧，即係有助於工人同埋家人嘅律師啊，揾到佢哋嚇。多謝 Hayden 啊，陣間俾我哋好多呢方面嘅信息嚇。即係話好多，即係話我希望大家都學習到好多嚇。
There are many business owners or small business owners here on the call.
咁我哋知道咧，我哋呢度有好多小商業嘅嗰個即係佢哋有請好多啲僱員咧。咁啊，你想知道啊，想攞到啲信息，點樣係保護你個員工，作為一個小型企業嘅嚇。
Go to the next slide. So Hayden talked a little bit about
Hayden 咧係有講到嚇，係嗰個 ICE 嘅嗰個突擊檢查嘅時候，你係點樣反應咧？咁喺任何個移民行動之前咧，你要揾到一個咧合格嘅移民律師。或者最少係有一個組織咧，係可以轉介你係一個因為你要即係我都推薦你有我哋嘅電話號碼。咁啊，你知你可能有啲僱員咧係可能係
and to practice it with the
會驚
workers.
個移民
So, for
嘅，即係驚
example, a
ICE 嘅嗰啲
response
活動嘅。
plan could be that if there is any ICE ICE officials identified or located, that all employees go to a
咁樣咧，
private
你要制
area
定嘅
on
書
the
面嘅應對
premises
計劃，
where in
同
which
個員
Hayden
工咧一齊練習，
explained
仲
that
俾
private
所有
areas
嘅員工咧
require
提供咧嗰個
certificates. So
KYR
that
嘅
is
培
one
訓。
example of what could be in a response plan. In addition to a response plan, it would also be helpful to provide a know your rights training for all of
咁啊，
the
你都可
staff.
以咧，
And
為
not
你個
just
員工
here
咧
to
全
educate
部提供
themselves,
一
and it
個
would be
了解你個
wonderful, and like we
權
said
力
in the
嘅嗰個
beginning,
培
to
訓嘅嚇。
share the information, to share the knowledge, because
好
knowledge
似我
is
之前
power.
啱啱開始都
So
講過咧，我哋要分享啲
something
信
very
息，
similar to the information in these slides could be also shared
分
with
享我哋
your
知識，因為嗰啲
employees or
全部都係我哋
workers.
嘅力量嘅嚇。
In addition to knowing their rights,
咁啊，係
a
了解你
response
個
plan could also include this information, including
如果你係了解咗你
information
個
details, as well as numbers
權利
to
之後咧，我哋好似啱啱都有講過咧，
innovation like the response network. If you're
你
in
哋
San
你要知道咧
Francisco,
嗰啲
our slides
三
will
藩
state
市
that.
嘅
If you're
快速
outside of San Francisco County,
快速
there
響
is
應嘅或者快速
information
反應嘅
available
團隊
online,
佢
and
哋
this
個熱線電
information
話。
should be shared with your workers. So going to the next slide. This was a little bit discussed in brief, but I think it
咁
would
啊，
be a
之前
good
咧，我
slide
哋
to
有
kind of
講
finish
過啦
off
嚇，
of
即係
and
話
kind of
係
like
一
round
個
out
移民嘅
the
嗰個行
the
動啊，
presentation. Now, what to
當
do
中咧
during
你係
a
點
raid
樣
or
做咧
an
嚇？
enforcement action. There's specific things that
但
as
比較
an
具體嘅
employer
嚟
you can
講咧，
say to
作為一個
any
僱
ICE
主，你可以
enforcement
對任何
when
嘅
they come
ICE
to your
嘅嗰啲
premises,
員
identify yourself as the employer. You can tell them
員講，你
they
可以同佢
cannot
哋
go to
講，
other
我
areas
係
of the
僱主，
workplace
你
without
冇
your
我個允許，我
permission,
哋即係你哋
which
唔
is
可以去
perfectly
工作場所
lawful.
嘅其
You
他
could
地方。
protect the private areas on your premises by
今日咧
identifying
係
it as a private area,
今日保護
letting
你
them
嘅
know
私
that
人
they
區域，
cannot
今日你
enter
話呢個
without a
係私人
judicial
區
warrant
區
signed
域
by a
嚟嘅，
federal
你冇
judge, as
冇
Hayden
法官簽
described,
署嘅
and
司法手
specifically
冊令咧，
asking for
你哋
that
係唔
judicial
可以入
warrant
去㗎。
after following all the steps that Hayden suggested of calming, grounding, as well as
今日
requiring a
佢哋
badge
入唔到去。今日
identification
鼓勵員
from
工咧
the
係行
ICE
動過程當中咧錄
official.
像或者影
So
影相
we
嘅
do
嚇。
encourage staff to video or take photos during the action if there is an action and if there is an
今日
actual
如果係
judicial
安全嘅話
warrant.
嚇，
I agree with Hayden that, as long as you feel comfortable in doing so
即係
and
如果你
safe
係
in
覺
doing
得
so,
安全
as
或者係你係
taking
覺得
video
咁樣
or
可以，
photos
即係
could
你覺得好自
potentially
如係咁樣做咧，你先做
instigate
嚇。
more conflict, but it is
有時咧，有
important
人見到
though
你影相咧，或者係錄
safety
像咧，
is
分分
clear
鐘咧
to
係
do
會
this
挑起更加
because
多
all the
嘅
information
糾紛
about
嚇。
the raid, about the action, and
咁
about
你或者
kind of
如果唔得嘅話咧，
everything
你
that
可以
went
仔
on
細
is very
觀察
important
嗰個
of
ICE 探員嘅
following
行為，但係你可以記錄落
the
嚟。
action itself. So in terms of the judicial warrant,
咁啊咧，
it's
你都可以
helpful to
提醒
ask
工
for
作
a
人員咧，
copy of the
佢哋
warrant.
有權保持
If
沉
you
默
have
嚇，
access to
係
a
要求
copy
提供
machine
律
or a
師。
scanner or
咁
through
樣
your
咧，如果你
phone
有佢哋
to get a
ICE 個
copy of
探
it,
員咧
take a
係有
picture
嗰
of
個
it.
司法手
With the
冊令嘅話
judicial
咧，
warrant, I think
咁
it's
啊你
important
都
that
係
as
以
an employer, you can
佢哋
still
俾呢個司
decline
手
to
冊令
give
咧，你
consent
可以打，
for
你
the
可以去
search,
copy 一下嘅，
and that
去
you
複印
can
一份。
also decline to speak and give out information as Hayden advised. It's important to watch the agents very carefully, keep track of what they do, because in addition to
所以佢啱啱都
the
係講到，再次
suggestions
重
that
申嗰個
Hayden
保持
shared
沉默嘅
about
重要
keeping
性，
track
同
of
埋咧係有
everything,
仔
getting
細
as
嘅
much
記錄低
information down as
嗰個
possible,
ICE 個
to
探員咧
identify
喺你個
to
工
the
作場所
situation as
度
well. And the reason
做咗
being
啲乜
is
嘢
that。when you do contact the Rapid Response Network and when you do contact your lawyer, it's very, very helpful and useful to give as much information
所以咧，
as
你當
possible.
如果你係要聯絡律師嘅話咧，
Finally,
最好
to
咧就係
remind
俾我
workers
哋
that they have a right to remain
提供
silent
越嚟
and
越
to
多
ask for
越
a
多嘅
lawyer
信息
during
就
any
越
type
好
of
嚇。
raid or action. I think that's very important, especially if stakes are high and nerves could get to
所以咧，最
folks
重
during
要
these
嘅咧，
types of
都係你要
situations.
提
So
醒你個
it's
員
really
工
important to
有
stay
權
calm
保持沉
and
默嚇。
to
就
protect
係
your
要求
workers,
提
but
供律師，
while
所以作
also
為僱主
empowering
嚟
them
講
to
咧，你可
know
能都有少
their
少慌
rights.
張，
So
但係最重要嘅你自
um,
己要保持冷
with
靜。
that said, I know we're a little over time, but
好，今日
getting
我
to
哋
the
超過
next
咗少
slide,
少
I
時
just want to
間嚇，
thank you
所以
all
我哋係要多謝
for
你哋，
for participating, for listening, and for being part
多
of
謝你哋嚟
this
參加今
knowledge
日
sharing. I
嘅
hope
網
that
絡研討會，
you all are
多謝
able
你哋嘅
to
參
share
與，
this
多謝你哋喺度
information
聽我哋嘅
further
信息，
with
希望
your
你都可
employees if
以
you
係
have
同
any.
你個
And
身
with
邊
that,
嘅人
we
去
can
分享今
move
日嘅信
to
息。
questions.
我覺得如果我哋而家